Just arrived from Japan, 1997 Honda SMX. So we're gonna repaint everything again. As you can tell, there's no clear coat at all. I'm gonna polish the headlights. I don't think there's any dings. If there's any dings or anything like that, take them out. Most likely gonna paint it white, some kind of white. I would paint it a different color, red, orange, but I don't like when the outside is one color and then you open the door jambs and this is gonna be a different color. So that's pretty much what it looks like right now that we got it. Gonna go for a full detail also. It looks pretty good though, pretty good shape, everything works. The wheels also, I might have to powder coat them a different color, leave them alone. Decisions that we gotta make. What do you guys think about the family car though? Not bad, not bad. If I have to drive a minivan, it better be something cool like this in my opinion. It's got the spoiler, the bumpers. This is the lowdown model actually, so it's not the regular one. They usually don't come like this. Yeah, it looks pretty good though, so we're gonna get started and see how it goes. Progress so far. The grill is out. We're gonna take off the headlights, clean them up. Let's see, the rocker panels are off. The mirrors are off, so we could do them. We're gonna take off the door handles too in a little bit. But I was taking off the tail lights and told me these don't look like the Cadillac Escalade ones, the new ones. This whole time, man, Escalade copied these. I'm not sure what to do though. I'm not sure if I should leave them like that or should I put the covers and look like that. I guess we'll see by the end of the video. Front bumper is off. It doesn't look like it's been in an accident before. Everything looks pretty straight, which is what you want to see ideally. So that's pretty good. So the reason we took it off is because we're gonna fix this scratch right here. These, you can't really tell, but you might as well do it though since it's already off. All these. Alright, there was a small dent right here. I already took it out. There's also a little small scratches right here. Let me see, I don't know if you can tell though. Right there. And just like that, it's filled. So what do? Sand it down?
180 and primer, that's it.
That's it?
Even like that.
These on the sides, they're also already done. I still gotta sand it though. But that's pretty much what the process is. And then you see these little tiny holes up here? These little white specks, these are little holes. I'll show you right now how we fix those. Alright, to fill the little pinholes, we're gonna use the
it's called glazing and spot putty.
It makes no sense to spray paint everything. The spray paint to
all you do is this. It's simple. And then you wet sand it with since this is white, you can wet sand it with 400 grit sandpaper.
See the little white dots? That's what we're covering up right there.
No, black dots.
Oh yeah, the black dots.
Yeah. This is professional job, man. We don't mess around here.
You fill them up, you let them dry, and then you send them down. There's no... The side mirror is already scuffed, taped. I'm cleaning the headlights right now. They had the little covers right here on top. You see all the glue? You gotta take off all the glue, and then we're gonna scuff them again and put some clear coat on them, make them look brand new. You're almost done here too?
Yeah, almost.
The goal is to have it what?
Dull.
Dull, no reflection at all.
Yeah, you're all dull for the clear coat to stick. If you guys want videos on how to paint the car, give me instructions step by step, we can probably show you. We'll tell you what materials to use, what sandpaper, everything you can do to prep.
What do you think when somebody tells you, no, I got somebody who'll charge me $1,000 to paint a whole car?
If you want to do it the right way, I can show you professionally. Just give us thumbs up, and if you reach for how many users you want?
A couple more.
Yeah, a couple more, a couple thousand. We'll give you the details on how to do it.
Alright, so the idea here is get the blade. Hopefully I won't cut myself. I'm doing it by myself. And go like that. And take off all the glue on top. but only from the top surface though. Then after that, we're gonna use a reducer right here and wipe everything down. The rest of it should come off.
So right now what we're gonna do, we're actually wet sanding the headlights with 1000 grit. We're gonna knock down all the yellow stuff because, you know what, we want to restore and make them look new again. Actually, a lot of people use the cans, but the cans, they only last you a couple, maybe months or maybe a year.
What about a toothpaste, huh?
Yeah, toothpaste don't work either. Some people like to use the, what is that called, the bug spray?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but nah, I wouldn't recommend it, but I recommend this better when you do this, an actual...
So they pretty much look like this. We still gotta clean them up. And then what do you do afterwards?
All right, we just gotta clean them up, tape them up, degrease them, and then ready for clear coat.
Yes, that. We're painting tomorrow, so we're gonna give it the last wash. We took off all the tape again, and then we're gonna put all the tape again. That way we get all the dirt, all the anything that might be stuck behind it. So that's what we're doing right now. Washing everything, soap it up, re-tape everything. It's the little details, but that's how they come out good though. So before doing the whole car, first we did the front bumper to see what it looks like as a test run. You see that purple? You could probably see it better in the sun, but I can see it pretty good here. So now that we know that it's gonna work, now we're gonna go do the whole van. The SMX is taped up. We just gotta do the windshield right now, but we can't do it yet because we're gonna have to drive it to the spray booth, which is just around the corner, but we need to be able to see. So that's pretty much what it's gonna look like right now, and then we'll show you guys when it's done afterwards. With all the windows taped up, you know it's about to go down. And by going down, I mean painting the car. Getting ready for the clear coat, which is going to make it shine. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, there's like a little purple to it. You guys see that little purple? Once you hit it with the clear coat, it's going to shine everywhere. Every time the light hits it in a specific spot, it's going to look purple. And this is gonna be the final product right here. What do you guys think? You see the purple? When the sunlight hits it, looks pretty cool. Looks even better in person actually. I got two more coming in. I got a silver one and an orange one. Not sure what we're gonna do to those ones yet. Let me know what you guys think in the comments though. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And next video is gonna be we're gonna take it for a spin, do a quick review on the van also.